Hello engineers. So let's try to solve this sample problem taken from the past REE board examination. So yung problem natin is a short circuit test was performed upon a 10 kBE 2300 to 230 volts transformer with the following result. Short circuit voltage is 137 volts, short circuit power is 192 watts, and short circuit current is 4.34 amperes. Calculate the percent regulation at a lagging power factor of 0.707. Okay, engineers? So let's try to solve this problem using a purely Caltech solution. First, kunin po muna natin yung value ng ating angle or angle of the power factor or power factor angle rather. So para makuha natin yan, that is cosine of cosine negative 1 of 0.707. So that is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. And then next, enter nyo yung mode 1. So punta tayo sa mode 1. So make sure natin naka-mode 1 tayo. And then, input rectangular form or rectangular of 1, 45. So para makuha natin o mapalabas natin yung rectangular, that is shift minus. So input natin, shift minus. Dinlagay natin 1, tapos comma sa nakuha natin na angle. So 1, 45. Equal natin. So ito yung magiging result natin. We have x and y. So x natin is 0.707 and y natin is 0.707. So therefore, yung result is matik naka-stored doon sa ating x and then y. Okay? Then input EX, so ito yung magiging formula natin. EX plus square root of B squared minus E squared Y. So out. So input natin, EX plus square root of B squared minus E squared tapos Y. And then, enter natin yung calc, tapos magtatanong ng value ng A. So sa variable A, ang ilalagay natin is yung short circuit power divided by the rated volt ampere or BE rated. And then for X, skip lang natin. For B is short circuit voltage divided by the rated high voltage. And then kay Y, skip natin. Okay? So calc A, so that is short circuit power, that is 192. Divided by the rated BE, which is 10,000 BE or 10 kBE. Equal. Skip natin ang X. Kay Y is short circuit voltage, which is 137 divided by the rated high voltage. So yung high voltage natin dito is yung 2,300. Equal. And then skip natin yung Y. So therefore, yung magiging result natin dito is 0.053447 or this is equivalent to 5.34%. So pinakamalapit sa sagot natin is yung letter B. So therefore, ito yung ating magiging final answer. Okay, simulate natin ulit. So from the start, nakuha na natin yung angle. So shift minus para mapalabas natin yung rectangle or rectangular. So 1, comma sa angle natin, 45. Equal. And then, matic stored na yun sa x and y. Input natin yung formula natin. EX plus square root of B squared minus E squared and then Y. So, intercalc. So, lagay natin yung short circuit power which is 192 divided by the rated BE or 10,000. Skip natin yung X. B is 137 divided by the high rated voltage or rated high voltage, which is 2,300 equal, and then ito yung magiging result natin. That is 5.34. So may namali tayo dito guys, no? Dapat naka-Y ito. That is 5.34. So yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to, and see you next time.